Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use Java Online Compiler. That is coding ground. Compile and execute Java Online, JDK 1.8.0. We can use this compiler by going to this link on your browser. I will give this link in the description below. This is the website for Coding Ground. And it provides coding platform for more than 75 programming languages. You can use the search bar to search for your programming language. Coding Ground provides platform for front-end technologies such as Angular, Bootstrap, CSS and more. And also for documents editors. Coding Ground provides platform that we even didn't know of. If we scroll down, then we can see Java Compiler. Click on that. It takes few seconds to load the compiler, depending on your internet speed. This is the Java Online Compiler. It provides with few features that are necessary like execute and share. And other features like creating new project, copy-paste and settings. You can explore it yourself. Here Hello World code is already there, so click on Execute button to get the output. And it shows Hello World, that means the compiler is working just fine. Let's try one more example, that is Fibonacci series. Let's change the class to example. We do need this public static void main. Let's delete this println. The Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with a 1 or a 0, followed by a 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each number, called a Fibonacci number, is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. Integer count counts the series of number that we need. Let's keep it 7. We need two more integers, that is, num1 and num2, and assign them with 0 and 1. Then type the code system.out.print. Type the sentence that we want to be printed, that is Fibonacci series of integer count, so it shows our count, that is 7, and numbers, it will show it as. Don't forget to put semicolon. Here we will use loop, so, for, bracket open, int I equals 1, I less than or equal to count, I plus plus, that is increment, and bracket close. Inside the loop, we will write system.out.print integer num1. Then we introduce new integer, that is sum of previous two, which is the sum of previous two numbers. That is the sum of num1 plus num2. Then we assign integer num1 equals to num2, and integer num2 equals to integer sum of previous two. Check that all the curly brackets are closed. Our codes are done. Now click on Execute to get the output. It shows our Fibonacci series till count 7, which are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. If we change the count to 17, then it will show us the Fibonacci series till 17 count. That's all for today's video, thank you.